Everybody is buying gold these days, guys. I'm in one of my favorite gold shop here in Dubai. If you are ever in Dubai and you want to buy gold, remember this Tulip Jewelry just behind me to buy gold. But the biggest question is it the right time to buy gold right now? And what do you think about getting some gold for yourself? Now, the reality is that we are at the top of the 2-week cycle. And whenever we reach 2-week cycle top, we about to reverse and about to go down. That's why I'm not buying gold, guys. I bought gold in November, December, when in my group I actually told everybody that, hey, it might be a good opportunity to buy gold because the 2-weekly cycle is at the bottom and the 1-weekly cycle is also at the bottom. And what happened after then? We saw a very nice 40% bounce to the upside. Now, when everybody is talking about gold, when media, when Twitter is screaming that, hey, gold prices are going to 10, like, you don't even believe it. People think that gold is going to 10,000 right now. If you just open Twitter and see what people are discussing, you'll get crazy. Look at this chart. This guy just posted gold chart, 1 hourly chart, and it shows that gold is simply just going to go up right now, right? And how many views he has? 20K. So I feel that gold is becoming more popular than cryptocurrencies right now. Gold is becoming the mainstream, and if you're here in Dubai in the gold souk, you will see that everybody is buying gold. It's Sunday afternoon right now, and instead of going somewhere to a restaurant or a shop or a cinema, people just prefer to go to the gold souk and buy gold and capture this upcoming bull market. The reality is that we are about to reverse in the 2-week cycle, and most of those people will be sad very, very soon. The ones who are buying gold for a short term, for let's say 1 to 2 to 3 month period, they will be sad. I'm not buying gold at the top. It's really not the best opportunity to buy gold. Look at what TradingView is showing right now. If you take a look at my cycle indicators, I have so many cycle indicators, I'm just going to remove them because they are simply not needed right now. So if you zoom in, you will see that, hey, it looks wonderful, right? Gold is currently retesting its support at $3,300 per ounce. Doesn't look bad, right? However, if you take a look at the cycles, the 2-week cycle is breaching the top. The 1-week cycle is already falling. Look, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. This is not a normal behavior. This is an extremely, extremely bullish period for gold. We are not able to sustain this run, guys. I'm very sorry for this, but from here, from the 2,500, we bounce to 3,300. And in the percentage, it is 27, no, even more, like 32, 33%. That is a lot. Like in the same time, your favorite altcoin didn't do 30%. Sure, some of them jumped up, but then went straight down. Gold currently is in a better condition than most of the cryptocurrencies. However, it will not be like this in every single time. It will not stay like this for the next week. So what I recommend, if you hold any gold right now, it's a perfect opportunity to sell. Because if you look at the past, same happened here. Look, we had a phenomenal run in 2024 already, right? Look, we went from 2,200, we went to 2,700, right? Kind of a very similar run, what we have seen right now. It's like 22%. And then we've seen a bearish momentum. Sure, if you're holding for a long period, you most probably don't care. But if you're holding for a shorter period, if you want to trade, you don't want to be buying in these bearish periods, right? Same here. If we go back to the past, we can see that at the 2-weekly cycle top, the gold tops, here we top, and then we have bearish momentum, we have a consolidation phase. Why would you risk and why would you buy a financial asset when it is in a bearish momentum or when it's consolidation period like it is here? It simply doesn't make any sense. However, if you like gold and you want to wear it, that's a very different question, all right? So guys, just a very quick update about gold and where we are right now. I'm in a gold souk, so don't rush to buy gold. Check out the weekly indicators. If you don't know how to put those indicators into your chart, all you have to do is you head down to strategymaster.io. You will see a link in the description down below. And you subscribe for Strategy Master. There you will get access to the cycle indicators. You will be able to apply them yourself and buy currencies simply at the best period of time. See you in the next one.